Pancakes and Jam was originally started 15 years ago. A woman in Vancouver was running it out of her house. And my good friend used to attend those, and then she moved away and it ended. And then 5 years ago, he and I revived it in Vancouver, and we found a venue, and we've been running it every second Sunday in Vancouver for the last 5 years. And then when I moved here last year, it was one of those things that I wanted to bring here because I felt like it would really work in the Valley. Pancakes and Jam is a by donation breakfast event that includes music. And the theory behind it is that musicians will come and just jam rather than have, a booked band to come in and play all their own stuff. My love of music is improvisation. I don't play myself, but I like to enable others that do play.